This is how you can create unlimited AI videos using Google Veo 3.1 completely for free. First, go to docs.google.com/videos. This is Google's official platform that helps you turn text, documents or ideas into videos automatically. Just click on Start a new video and you'll see the Veo 3.1 option in the pop-up. That's where all the magic happens. Simply select it. On the right side, you'll see that Veo 3.1 lets you create 8-second videos in 720p quality with audio. Here we have two options. You can either create from scratch using a text prompt or animate an existing image. Let's start with create from scratch. You can choose the aspect ratio 16:9 for landscape or 9:16 for vertical. I'm going with 9:16 since it works best for short form content. Now here's something important. The quality of your video depends heavily on your prompt. Don't just type something like create a video. Always use ChatGPT to write a proper structured prompt. I asked ChatGPT to create a prompt for a video where a girl applies lipstick and says, "This doubles my beauty." It gave me a detailed prompt. Let me copy that and paste it here and then click generate. Now the video is being generated. This will take a few seconds. And here we go. The video is ready. Let's drag it onto the canvas. Currently the canvas is in 16:9 format. To change that, just click here, select 9:16 and hit apply. Now fill the video to the screen and let's play it.
This doubles my beauty.
Perfect. You'll notice a Veo watermark at the bottom. You can crop it out or zoom in slightly when posting on social media. To download, go to File, then Download and select MP4. Done, the video is downloaded. Now let me show you the second option, animate an image. And after that, I'll share a trick to use this unlimited times. First, I'll delete the previous prompt and video. Then click Upload an image. Accept the policy and upload your image. I'm using an image of a room with a forest view outside the window. I want to create a rainy atmosphere. In the instruction box, I type, create a rainy atmosphere outside the glass window with natural thunder and rainfall sounds. Now hit generate. It's done. Let me drag it onto the canvas and play it. Nice, the video came out really well. To download, follow the same steps. File, download MP4. Now here's the trick to use this unlimited times for free. This platform allows 10 video generations per month per Google account. Once you hit that limit, just switch to another Google account. Most of us have at least 4 to 5 accounts. That's already 40 to 50 videos per month. I personally have 7 to 8 accounts, so I can generate even more. That's the trick. Simple. I hope you found this useful. If you have any doubts, drop them in the comments. I'll be uploading more AI and automation tutorials in the coming days. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.